Guru Nation, really quick, what you're going to see is a highlight reel from the Clinical Scoop. So if you're interested in this kind of stuff, we do it every week. Go to the Clinical Scoop YouTube channel and podcast, Clinical Scoop. This is not meant to be financial advice, but we have fun looking at stocks in the biotech space. This week, this highlight reel is going to be about COVID-19. We try to find some diamonds in the rough. There were only a few potential. This is not financial advice. I've actually never made money on biotechs in my entire career. I've only lost money investing in biotech. So this is designed to get you, maybe if you're interested in investing, researching on your own and maybe seeing some of our thought process, hearing some of the commentary. Again, for the full, unedited, with all the jokes and everything, go to Clinical Scoop. There are a few diamonds in the rough, and there are a few that I like based on logistics, which is kind of a safer bet, rather than investing in the actual vaccine maker, which there are two of them that we identified in this episode. Maybe look at the logistical companies, and we've identified a few of those as well. So hopefully you enjoy. Do your own research. Again, not financial advice, just meant to have fun. Let me know what you think, and if you're interested, go to Clinical Scoop YouTube channel and the podcast. Links underneath. Chris was saying, unless it's COVID, they're not too excited about it, which is true. I think the Biogen was an exception, maybe. 54 vaccines in clinical trials on humans right now, and 87 preclinical vaccines. Why so many vaccines right now? Like, isn't 54, isn't that enough? And then there's 87 preclinical vaccines. Like, at what point is this normal for vaccines to have so many developers?
Like this, they're not looking at the efficacy. Efficacy is number one, and regarding a prevention of but they're looking at the maintenance for how long the antibodies that this vaccine can produce, and also now with the Pfizer and Moderna, they found out that Pfizer vaccine need to be stored under -80, but Moderna can be stored in so every vaccine have its pros and cons, and that's why they're looking to see how they can modify and make it better for for the economy and for the stock market and for everybody, That's why, now, if you look at Pfizer stock is in the back dropping because of the Moderna. It is better than it is more efficacy, less
side effects,
to be stored and better to be distributed and faster to be distributed. Yeah, all this new technology that's been made for this vaccine now, and you never know which one is the winner. Maybe now Moderna, after a couple of months, you'll find another vaccine that's the self-replicating going to be the winner. So that's why everyone in the dark in regard of the vaccine. That's why you don't find out the stock market is really responding to the news of the vaccine very well. Okay, I think Moderna was 90 something, and today went down to 84. Or I don't know, 82.
You look up CRYOPORT. Life Sciences. There are solutions to the life sciences industry. Design and manufacture temperature-sensitive and cryogenic packaging systems for shipping of biological. So you know how when there's a gold mine and everybody comes, all the miners come to look for gold. The people who made money were the guy Levi Strauss, who invented the jeans. And he sold jeans and shovels to the miners. This is what this company does. They sell the tools, the infrastructure, to all these vaccine, people playing the lottery with the vaccine. And so this might be a better stock to buy. Can you look up the stock price, the Cryoport?
$45.70 right now.
If you're looking at the jeans and the shovel seller, we need to look at the one who's going to transport the vaccine in the state and outside the state. And mainly they're looking at I think one of the report I read, it was the UPS and FedEx.
So they're competing, or they're both going to get...
both of them gonna, but this is another one, as Dan said, about the jeans and the shovels.
Right.
Cryo Vix and also FedEx and UPS also.
Right.
Keep an eye on that.
What about CanSino Bio? Any love for the Chinese company CanSino Biologics? Developed a vaccine based on adenovirus. Actually, it would be a good time to buy. Look, if you just look at the chart, I mean, we have to see the news. I know nothing about this. We don't know if they do anything on. Can you look up CanSino Biologics on clinicaltrials.gov?
They have
COVID-19.
1, 2, 3, 4 in COVID-19.
So they're doing studies in China, Islamabad, Halifax, Canada,
And Canada.
Wuhan. So all in China. This is not for the faint of heart. This kind of stock. So guys, if you're looking for home runs, I don't think we're finding any unless you want to go Casino Bio. Vaxart is from where? San Francisco. The small San Francisco company Vaxart. This one might be worth looking into. The same viral vector in CanSino's bios, so it's similar to. This one might be interesting. We might have waited till the end for the gem. For the bottom of the barrel, you find the gem.
Look at this.
Okay, guys.
This is a good one.
I told you, stick with me and you'll find the gems. Look at this. What is this? 6 months. Went from 20 to 5. What do we have here? What's the news? Can we go to clinicaltrials.gov?
Oral COVID-19 vaccine.
Yeah. Yep.
Oral COVID-19 vaccine. And I think a strong buy recommendation came from the analyst for Vaxart.
Active, not recruiting. Vaxart. Earlier this year, Vaxart began work on the oral vaccine. It contains an adenovirus called AD5, the same viral vector in Casino's Bio's vaccine and Russia's Sputnik 5. Maybe it's good. I don't know. I'm not putting any more money in biotech. So you guys could do it if you'd like, and let me know next week what you think.
I think the rating for this VXRT is very bullish with the Seeking Alpha, Wall Street, and Quant.
Immunity Bio, California-based company. Immunity Bio launched a phase 1 trial. Okay, so here you go.
Who wants to
Dr. Al, you want to study? Here you go. Let's
what?
We can send you. They're looking for sites. The phase 1 immunity.
Is it outpatient or inpatient first?
Let's see.
Let's see.
Phase 1. It's phase 1.
Phase 1.
In adults with COVID-19.
Yeah, I'm sure that's inpatient.
Yeah, it's inpatient, but phase 1B randomized. Let's see what the sites. Let's see which sites and how many patients in which sites. It's probably West Coast Clinical Trial.
Okay, so how many
we got
patients?
the guy. We got the director's number. Go down.
NANTKWEST Inc.
Yeah,
Yes.
Yeah, you're right. Immunity Bio and NantQuest signed COVID joint development. So maybe the company is NantQuest. Go down. Yeah, right there. NantQuest.
Yeah. Second one. NK. Go to the Yahoo and put NK only.
NK.
Go back to Yahoo. Yahoo Finance.
Yahoo Finance. Yeah, let me wrap this up, guys. As you can see, we're having a lot of fun. We're having a lot of fun. You can buy something for $8.27. NantQuest. I'm gonna actually look that one up.
We can keep discussing this one next week.
That's a good cliffhanger for next week. Yes, that's a very good cliffhanger for next week. It's so much fun doing this. I'm not going to invest any money in it, but it's interesting to see. And I appreciate, Monica, you did a great job. My computer was really not doing well today. So you did a very good job sharing the screen. And let's do it again. We're going to do it next week right before Thanksgiving, right?
All right.
Okay, guys. Thank you.
Everybody have a good evening.
Thank you. And guys, thank you so much for watching. As you've seen, we did identify 2 that I was particularly interested in, Vaxart, VXRT, and Nanotech, which was part of the ImmunoBio. I believe the stock symbol's NK. Again, I'm not recommending you buy those stocks. I'm recommending that you do your own research on those things. As you've seen how we did it here. We always look at the stock, then we look at clinicaltrials.gov, and then we make our own decisions about whether this is a good investment or not. So not meant to be financial advice, meant to be entertainment / a little bit of educational and opinion on how we look at biotechs. Again, I'm no expert in investing in biotechs. I've only lost money in my career. Definitely not the guy to pay attention to for that. But if you're interested in this kind of analysis and this kind of banter with me, Chris, Dr. Al, and Monica every week, Clinical Scoop has its own YouTube channel. Go subscribe. And also it has a podcast, Clinical Scoop. Thank you again. Good luck, guys.